This is Zoe's cooking show. What are you making today?
Meatballs.
Meatballs, yeah. First of all, you want to tie your hair back, right?
Yep.
Because you don't want any of your hair in the food.
Yeah.
Nope.
We don't do that.
No. And then, can you wash your hands?
Oh, okay.
It's always good to wash your hands before you make food, isn't it?
Yep.
Meatballs, whatever.
Yeah.
Can you rinse them?
Hot.
Okay, it's a little cooler now. Is that better?
Yeah.
Ah, much better.
Always have the mind for the idea.
Oh, are you a singing cook?
I am.
Okay, here, let me dry your hands. Okay, now,
I know.
what is this? Is that hamburger?
Hamburger.
Okay. So then what are you going to put in the hamburger?
Cheese first.
Cheese first? Okay. Oh, that's Parmesan cheese.
No.
Delicious.
I need to wash my hands again.
No, that's okay, because you're going to be getting them yucky. Put all that cheese in there.
Like dump it.
Dump it, yep.
Dump.
Okay, I'll take that. Okay, I'll be your assistant. Can you put the garlic in next?
That's it.
That's not garlic. Which one's garlic? Nope, this one's garlic.
This.
You might have to scrape it with your fingers. Get all of it in there, because that's tasty stuff.
Is it?
Yep. Okay, and then how about the breadcrumbs are next?
This?
Yep. Oh, good job. Okay. How about we do the pepper next?
Pepper knife like this?
Yep. And then can you shake some salt in there?
Salt like
Yeah.
this?
Yeah, what kind of salt do you use?
This one.
What kind is that?
White?
Yeah. That should be plenty. Diamond crystal salt.
Yeah.
Where's that made at? Say in St. Clair.
Is it good?
Yeah. Let me get a little of that salt out of there. Okay, put your eggs in there now.
Dump it?
You dump it in there. Yep.
My eggs.
Did you ever touch eggs with your bare hands?
Nope.
You get to do that now. I want you to break the yolks, yeah, and then start squishing everything. That's how you make meatballs. Just go in there and squish. Do you want me to show you? Oh, it looks like you're doing pretty good. Why don't you squish with 2 hands? Just keep squishing. Can you see on the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's squishing her eggs.
Yeah. Squish.
Yeah.
Squish.
Well, darn it. Maybe there. Is that good? But then we can't see you very much. Oh my goodness.
I can do this.
Oh, you can do that while you squish?
Yep.
Okay, can I help you squish a little
no,
bit?
I'm good.
You're good? You're going to squish it all?
I'm by myself.
All by yourself, okay. And what are you making again?
Meatball.
And what should we have with the meatballs?
Eggs. Huh?
What?
Eggs.
When we have dinner, what should we have with? What do you have with meatballs?
That.
Keep squishing. Come on. This is only a half-hour show.
I want to mix it.
You want me to mix it?
Ah.
I want to help you a little bit. Oh, you're not done yet, because now we gotta, when Gigi's done mixing this up, then I want you to make it into balls, and then we're gonna cook the meatballs, okay? I'm still squishing.
Let's just squish it too.
It's a good thing that hamburger wasn't freezing cold, huh? Yeah, that's really, that's hot. Okay, you just gotta make a couple meatballs for your show.
I'll do it.
Okay, you're going to make a couple meatballs for your show? Okay, grab some meat. Okay, now roll it in a ball. No, make it like a ball. You're like washing your hands like it's soap. Okay, try again. Now just kind of squish it together like a ball.
I did.
Okay, good job. Kind of a flat meatball, but it'll work. Are these Zoey meatballs?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe Zoey meatballs are flatter than normal ones, huh? Okay.
I'll squeeze them and I'll get it to you.
Yeah, okay.
I love getting our hands yucky.
You love getting your hands yucky?
Yeah. Oh no. Who is that?
Well, that's kind of a big one. You're getting a little sloppy here. Let's make 2 of them out of that one. Here, try making it round. Here, just work on it. Don't squish it. Just make it round. Okay, good. Okay, good job. Are you washing your hands or are you making meatballs?
Oh, I can't.
You can't? Okay. Oh, that's good. Hey, whatever your technique is, show the camera. That's much better. That's much better meatball. Yay. All right, let's do another one like that. Try that again. You're getting to be a pro at this. So earlier you said what we were going to have with the meatballs.
Meatball!
Didn't you go like this? Didn't you go? What'd you do that for?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh, I can't see you. Okay. Look at that round meatball. Good
I'm
job.
done.
You done?
Yeah.
Do you want me to do the rest?
Yep.
Is the show over?
Yeah.
Say, see you next time.
See you next time.
But they can't see your face.
Oh.
Say, see you next time.
See you next time. Now I wash my hands.